Home from working a very short shift because I had COVID and I wasn't able to make a schedule or get on the schedule to work like a full work week that I would normally do, so I had to just pick up whatever hours were there, and I literally went out in a snow blizzard to work a 2-hour shift. Oh my god, it wasn't worth it. No. But I didn't want to be like the person who calls out when I was literally just out for 2 weeks. Like, yes, I was sick, but I don't know. Maybe that's just my anxiety talking. I'm home now. Thank goodness. It is literally blizzarding. We're supposed to get 10 inches by tonight. It's been going since last night, and I just want to talk for a second because a lot of people romanticize the city, including myself. I post such cute videos of it on Instagram and TikTok and whatever because it is a very cute and beautiful city, truly. Like, I absolutely do love it here, but now that I've like lived here for almost a year, that has slowly changed for me, and I didn't think that this would happen so fast because I actually, when I moved here in April, I originally planned to stay here for 2 years because I was like, 2 years is like a good enough time to really experience the city and everything that it has to offer. And everyone always says like moving to New York the first year is the hardest, and that's definitely true. You know, you're figuring yourself out, you're figuring out how the city works, how to get places. You don't have any friends typically, and I'm still very introverted. I have a very difficult time making friends, and I just really didn't get to experience the city the way I wanted to. And I probably will make a whole video about this, so just like the truth about living in New York and the cons of living here. There's a lot of pros, I'm not saying it's all bad, but there are also a lot of cons. Anyways, this is a day in my life as a very regular person living in New York City, and I just thought I would vlog because it's been a while. This is a lot of talking. I'm gonna go and take a nap, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. I don't know why I just curled my hair, but I was just in the mood to. I actually just reviewed the Dyson Airwrap, which it'll be on my channel either before this video or after, I'm not sure yet. But I need to kind of brush these out a little bit, but I never curl my hair. I just randomly thought about doing it because we're probably gonna go and take pictures. We have to go to the post office. And then I think I'm gonna go to Central Park, even though it's blizzarding. I know that sounds crazy, but I thought it'd be good content for photos and whatever, so I'm gonna do it. I'm vlogging with a huge tripod because I don't want to take the camera off and on. We are just enjoying like the winter vibes. It's so gorgeous here. This is our first time being in Central Park in the winter, so I just wanted to take you guys along. just like suffering. It is really cold. It's very cold. The last like few hours I've been like resting. I think going out and walking around Central Park took so much out of me. I'm running off of 2 hours of sleep. It's now 10 o'clock, so I made it to the end of the day without literally passing away. Yeah, but I just really wanted to vlog today, and I'm glad I did, because Central Park, even though it's like, I feel like it's known to be a touristy place, it is for everyone, and I just love that park so much. It is so like dear to my heart. We've just made so many memories there since we moved here, and it's just a park that everyone is welcome in and everyone feels welcome in. There's no like pressure to look or dress a certain way, and it's just so big that even if there are tourists there, it doesn't feel like you're touring New York City for the first time. It just feels very relaxing, and it's beautiful. It was beautiful in the summer, it was beautiful in the fall, and beautiful in the winter as well. It really is magical no matter what time of year it is, so I'm sure if anyone's watching this and they want to see New York one day or visit, Central Park is probably already on your list, but if it wasn't for some reason, you definitely have to check it out. People of all ages doing whatever they want, and it was just amazing. It was a good day. I'm gonna end this video now. I'm sorry the heater is so loud. I really hope you did enjoy this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.